If you guys ever wanted to know how to make your scooter look good, well, today we're going to show you. So say we want to start with something kind of simple. Maybe we start with some screws, maybe in the bolt cover. Well, let's get ourselves a bike. So firstly, we're checking out the bolt cover. Let's check out what colors we can get. So obviously, if you are more into the simplistic, neat, not so flashy look, silver is the way to go. This is all anodized aluminium, never gonna rust, never gonna tarnish. This is always gonna be bright and shiny. This got red for your red BWS's or your yellow one. I know we've got a yellow one which will look good on, but I think the one we're gonna go for is this blue to match the awesome Yamaha blue. What you want to remember is obviously you've got your extra long screw that goes in the center, and then you've got your slightly shorter screws that go where your dowel pins are. Remember where your dowel pins go. So let's do that. How sick does that look? Remember, these are also aluminium, so you don't want to over tighten any of them, otherwise they will snap. They just need a little bit of tension. But what I'm thinking is, let's change out the oil screw. So with the oil screws, we've got a ton of different options. Firstly, we've got the STR8 colors, which is going to match the original design and look. And then we've also got some awesome Stage 6 ones coming very, very soon. A little bit more expensive, a little bit of a different design, but they're going to look sick. So I think for this one, it's a no-brainer. We are going to go with the blue to match the casing bolts. Now, does that look super sweet or what? Pair that with our awesome SIE shock 300mm gold and white, which I'll put up on the screen now, and it would look amazing. See, like, that's cool and all, but what else can we do? So let's have a closer look at the different shocks that we can do.
Alright, so first we've got some awesome Motorforce OEM shock replacements, basically going to be equivalent to your stock shock. We've got it in chrome and black, as well as red and black. Then if you're looking for something slightly higher, we recommend the SIE adjustable shock absorber, 300mm, adjustable preload, fully rebuildable. It is an awesome one to have. Then on the high end, we got a Stage 6 shock. This one is also fully adjustable and rebuildable. And then of course, we've got the super high end one, the upside down Stage 6 shock absorber with the external reservoir. And then if you're looking for something different, we also got a variety of Malossi shocks. So check out our website for more information.
Okay, those shocks are pretty sick. But if you're wondering what you can do in the front end, well, let me tell you. Let's first get out another scooter that you might be familiar with. You know the BWS, you know its older brother, the Nitro. So let's bring it out. So check out this front end. STR8 bars, STR8 stem, and this awesome Stage 6 digital gauge. It's still got the sticker on. We don't want to peel that off yet. It's got the awesome billet aluminium throttle body. That's all clear for us to see as you turn the throttle. That's awesome. Mirror mounts, your toggle switches, all out of billet aluminium. Pretty sick if you ask me. What I'm going to show you now is how to install one of these on a BWS. Now, I'm not going to lie to you, this thing is a bit of a mess. It's been a project build for the last couple of years, but hopefully with your guys' help and your guys' subscriptions, if we've earned it, please consider subscribing, because these things will fuel these builds in the future. So without further ado, let's have a look and see what we've got. Alright, so this is my Yamaha BWS 100 that is currently being rebuilt. It's been resprayed. The plastics are in really good condition despite the dust. But this is what I was talking about. We can get these awesome Stage 6 aftermarket oil caps as well as the STR8 ones. This engine casing is completely dirty. This will be on the channel very, very soon. So if you do want to support us, consider liking and subscribing. It helps us out a lot. We want to hit our goal of 1,000 subscribers, and then we can do awesome builds like this in the future. But for now, let's start on the steering column. All right, so it's as easy as taking this awesome STR8 stem, which we are going to do in black for this specific one, other than the white for the Aerox. It comes in many colors. Those are on back order, so let us know if you want something specific. So first, we want to loosen these and get it onto the steering column. That looks pretty sick. Now onto the bars. Alright, so for the bars, we've got this awesome STR8 matching bar set. So this will go amazing with the stem. This has been pre-fitted with the gunmetal grey throttle body and set. They're a little bit dirty. Just got the bar end mirrors, but let's install it. That looks super sick if you ask me. What I'm going to do now is I'm just going to bring the whole front end so we can have a look at what it looks like and see how tall it actually rides. Alright, got the very, very dirty piece. Excuse the dust. I don't want to clean it now. I don't want to scratch it, but let's put this piece on and check how cool that looks. That looks insane. If you guys do want these, they are on our website in the links down below. You can get it in any color. They are on special back order for any color, but we do stock the black and white, as well as anything that you really could request. Let us know. So as you can see, there's a lot of stuff you can still do to the scooter, not to mention the stuff that we haven't even shown you yet. We've got some awesome stage 6 mirrors available, stage 6 body kits for the Nitro, a lot more we can do to these things. So it all depends on you guys. What do you guys want to see? Let us know in the comments down below. We'll try our best to do these builds. Soon we're doing a PCX build with some awesome Velocity parts, as well as maybe some awesome cosmetics. So check out that in the future. Hit the bell notification, stay notified. I'm excited for this one. This one's gonna be on the channel very, very soon, but we'll have to see. That is going to be it for this video. Thank you so much for tuning in and watching. If you do like our content, consider liking and subscribing. It helps us out a lot. We're trying to reach our goal of 1,000 followers. Keep in mind, we're doing a giveaway at 1,000 followers for this awesome Velocity hat. So subscribe, follow us on Instagram. Links will be down in the description below, and you could win yourself this awesome Velocity hat. Alright, well, without further ado, let me know in the comments down below what is your favorite mod, what do you want to get in the future, and what will you be checking out on our website. Stay awesome, riders. I'll check you soon. Cheers.